Graphing linear functions does not require that we have to set up a table. When we have a linear function that's given in slope-intercept form, we can use the intercept and the slope to quickly get the sketch. Here are a couple examples. So if I have f of x is equal to 1/4 x plus 5, I know that that number in front of x is my slope, so it's rise 1, run 4, and I know my y-intercept, where I cross the y-axis, is at 0, 5. So I first plot the y-intercept, then I use my slope, rise 1, run 4, and then I plot my next point. In this case, that would be 4, 6. Now I could try to plot another one, but I'm off the grid. So another way I could do this is actually go down -1 and 1, 2, 3, 4 back. -1 divided by -4 is a positive 1/4, so it accomplishes the same thing. That tells me -4, 4 is also on my graph. Okay, here's the second one. F of x is equal to -2x minus 3. Again, the number in front of x is my slope. Since it's a whole number, I can always put it over 1. So my slope is -2 over a positive 1. And my y-intercept, my starting point, is going to be at -3. So I start at -3 and I go down 1, 2, and over 1 to get my next point. Just as like the last one, I can do the reverse of that. Since I have a negative, I could go up 2, and back 1. So up 2 is a positive 2, back 1 would be -1. That's still a slope of -2. Let me know if you have any questions.